Hey y'all, it's your favorite Kiara XoX, and I am back with another video. And today's video is a come with me to my hair appointment, DazzledByK Braids and Beauty Bar edition. So listen, I had my hair appointment today, right? And when I tell y'all I went to the best braiding salon in the Carolinas, stop what you're doing and follow them right now on Instagram, because Kim got your girl together. Now when I tell y'all it was the best experience I ever had, let me just tell you a little bit about it. Honey, when I say the scenery, I love it here. I love it already. Scenery immaculate. Kim did her thing on my hair, as you can see. You see that style. You see those braids stitched and slayed and laid, baby. And when I tell you it's a black-owned business, look at Kim being cute doing her thing. It's a black-owned business, all black women. When I walked in here, y'all, I felt like I knew these ladies and women my whole life. Like, what? Vibes were immaculate. Customer service 1,000 out of 10. Vibes 1,000 out of 10. Everything was 1,000 out of 10. Kim was so sweet. We done told each other our life stories, honey. And when I tell you, like, we just instantly connected. It was no silent chair. No just sitting silent, not talking. We communicated. Like, at this point, we're close. We're super close now. It was everything. Kim did her thing on me. I am so grateful and thankful that she took her time with me and just got to know me. Follow Kim, Sitting Pretty by Yetta. You definitely need to come down here to DazzledByK if you want to get slayed by Kim, okay? And she's going to get you right every time. Do y'all not see? The proof is in the style. The proof is in the style. Look at that. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell Kim nothing, because one thing she did was that, honey. Go follow them. 1,000 out of 10, I highly recommend, and we'll be back again.